10 of the fastest motorcycles in the world. Number 10. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is known for its incredible speed and power. It has a supercharged 998 cubic centimeters engine that produces over 300 horsepower and allows it to reach speeds of over 249 miles per hour, 400 kilometers per hour. This motorcycle is designed for track use and is one of the fastest production motorcycles in the world. Number 9. Dodge Tomahawk. The Dodge Tomahawk is a concept motorcycle that was unveiled in 2003. It is powered by a massive 8.3-liter V10 engine, similar to what you would find in a Dodge Viper sports car. With an estimated top speed of around 350 miles per hour, 560 kilometers per hour, the Tomahawk is one of the fastest motorcycles ever built. Number 8. Lightning LS 218. The Lightning LS 218 is an all-electric motorcycle that holds the title for the fastest production electric motorcycle. It boasts a top speed of 218 miles per hour, 350 kilometers per hour, and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 97 kilometers per hour, in under 2 seconds. The LS 218 combines high performance with eco-friendly electric technology. Number 7. Suzuki Hayabusa. The Suzuki Hayabusa, also known as the GSX 1300R, has long been recognized as one of the fastest production motorcycles. It features a 1,340 cubic centimeters engine and has a top speed of around 186 miles per hour, 299 kilometers per hour. The Hayabusa is renowned for its aerodynamic design and powerful acceleration. Number 6. BMW S1000RR. The BMW S1000RR is a high-performance sport bike known for its speed and agility. It is equipped with a 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that delivers 205 horsepower, allowing it to reach speeds of around 186 miles per hour, 299 kilometers per hour. The S1000RR is also praised for its advanced electronics and rider aids. Number 5. Ducati Panigale V4R. The Ducati Panigale V4R is a superbike designed for racing. It is powered by a 998 cubic centimeters V4 engine that produces 221 horsepower and has a top speed of around 186 miles per hour, 299 kilometers per hour. The Panigale V4R features advanced aerodynamics and cutting-edge technology derived from Ducati's MotoGP racing experience. Number 4. Yamaha YZF R1. The Yamaha YZF R1 is a popular sport bike known for its performance and handling. It is equipped with a 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that produces 200 horsepower, enabling it to reach speeds of around 186 miles per hour, 299 kilometers per hour. The YZF R1 features advanced electronics and a lightweight chassis for optimal agility. Number 3. MV Agusta F4RR. The MV Agusta F4RR is an Italian masterpiece with a top speed of around 186 miles per hour, 299 kilometers per hour. It is powered by a 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that delivers 201 horsepower. The F4RR is praised for its stunning design, precise handling, and impressive performance. Number 2. Aprilia RSV4RF. The Aprilia RSV4RF is a superbike that combines power and agility. It is equipped with a 999 cubic centimeters V4 engine that produces 201 horsepower, enabling it to reach speeds of around 186 miles per hour, 299 kilometers per hour. The RSV4RF features advanced electronics and a race-inspired chassis for exceptional performance on the track. Number 1. Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14R. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14R is a powerful sport touring motorcycle with impressive speed capabilities. It features a 1,441 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine and has a top speed of around 186 miles per hour, 299 kilometers per hour. The Ninja ZX-14R is